Hi everybody, this is a construction update on the Cowabunga Bay Waterpark. As you can see, there's lots of tubes that need to be built, and after a year later, until they had delayed their opening until summer 2014, it looks like they're finally building it. As you can see, they're making improvements. So, I've been to Wet n Wild Las Vegas, and it was quite disappointing, because there were long lines on the rides, and you gotta get into VIP, which, you know, I couldn't do. So anyway, hope this place opens in the summer, well, at least in a month. So as you can see, let's zoom in on the construction here. See? You can see what they're building. As you can see. Alright, so again, I hope this place won't be as disappointing as Wet n Wild Las Vegas was. So, alright, so hope they finish the construction in a month. So, that's it.